guys, welcome back to my channel. Dyalla here, and as you can tell by the title of this video, we are unboxing a mystery box, and it's a huge ass box too. I wasn't expecting it to be this big, but let me just tell you how I even got this bundle. So pretty much a few weeks ago, maybe it was a month ago, not too sure, I was on Instagram Live unboxing 2 mystery bundles that I got off of Depop. And usually I like them to be pretty cheap, like around $20 and under, and so I unboxed the first one. It was really bad, not gonna lie. It was based off my Depop likes, and I ended up getting like basic tank tops. So I was just like, ooh, girl, I am slightly offended that they got inspiration by my Depop likes and pulled those 2 pieces. But the second one was a lot better. After my live, DAZZ Vintage on Instagram reached out to me and was like, hey, I just tuned in from your live. I would love to send you a mystery bundle. Are you interested? And of course, I had to say yes. I thought it would be a good opportunity to show off some cool pieces, but also bring awareness to DAZZ Vintage on Instagram. So let me just scooch on over so that we can go through their Instagram. I especially liked how well curated and detailed her style bundles are. But let's go onto her Instagram right over here. She is at DAZZ Vintage. Let's just look at her individual items because she does only sell on Instagram. And so the listings are just individual pieces, but she also does style bundles. So the first piece that catches my eye is this plaid little, is it a mini skirt or a skirt? This is so cute. Vintage plaid pleated skirt. And it looks like she also does bid and bins, so it's a good opportunity to get things, you know, a little bit cheaper, or if you do want them right away, you can always pay that bin price. The next thing that catches my eye is this blue crochet tank. I absolutely love that. Crochet is so big right now. It's definitely hot for the season, and it's Faded Glory, a brand that I totally love thrifting. And then I still don't know the like aesthetic or style of these type shirts. I usually just say that they're like antique looking, but I can't be too sure. But I love the like watercoloring to it, the contrast sleeves. And as we're scrolling down on her Instagram, we are finding more of the Y2K pieces, which really excites me. So I like this one here. It's a black asymmetrical skirt with a little like ruche detail and a tie. Definitely give me fairy grunge vibes. With her vibe, I am getting a lot of 90s Y2K with a splash of vintage. But let's go up because I want to show you her highlights for some of the bundles that she's done. I think this is so freaking detail oriented, but she does include like a piece of paper that has the clothes modeled together as an outfit. Major kudos to people who go like the extra mile just to do this, because honestly, I'm way too lazy to do this. But this is also super helpful because I'm also a very visual person. So yeah, reading reviews is, you know, kind of sways whether you're gonna get it or not, but seeing this in person really does solidify your choice whether you're gonna get a bundle or not. So definitely appreciate this as a buyer. But I feel like we have a pretty good idea of DAZZ Vintage on Instagram. As far as like my style, she did ask me, you know, what I was interested in. I told her I was very open-minded to a lot of things and she could take inspo from my Depop likes, and she pretty much sent this over. So let's get opening. Okay, y'all, so this is what we're working with. She did individually wrap everything, so we aren't getting any spoilers quite yet. Immediately, oh my gosh, you guys, I feel like, so if I open this like in her highlights, she kind of will have images of everything that she's included, so I kind of want to not read this right now. Yeah, I kind of don't want to read that. Set that aside until afterwards. I'm seeing this, and it looks like a smaller package, so it might just be accessories. How cute! Yeah, we have one sticker here. We have another little thing here. Oh, it's a mask! That's one thing that I've always struggled with, is just finding cute masks. And she handmade these, the heck? Oh my goodness. She included a Hello Kitty mask. No, this is so cute, I cannot. And then, oh, you guys can't even tell with the lighting, but it has fairies, bunnies. Thank you so much. I cannot wait to start wearing these, especially since I'm getting my second vaccination tomorrow. So yay, I'll be sporting them then. Let's get started with some clothes now. And so this says, we all love a little layering moment. Yes, we do. So let's see what this is. So exciting. Ooh, some mesh, some leopard. Yes. What is this? Wait, what is this? So this is a brand Breaking Loose. Is this just like a cardigan? Y'all, let me move this aside. Look at this cardigan. It has flared sleeves. It's mesh construction, a leopard print. This cardigan is so cute. Yes, perfect for layering. Is this like a necktie detail? So unique. And it is like more of a duster length, so it does go really past my butt. What do we have here? Oh, this note was on top of it. Had to include some animal print. Ooh, a little dress. It does have a little ruche detail right on the front, and then the sleeves also have some ruching to them. And it looks like this is gonna be a little bit more figure hugging, so a little sexy piece too. All the little packages have little sticky notes on them, so I'll read them out as I open them. But this one says, thought this would look cool plus be fun to style. Ooh, what are you? What I am seeing embellishments, I'm seeing prints. This is freaking amazing. And orange, this has been my color. I've been so freaking obsessed with orange lately. And I also like that it has little ruche detailing to it, but it's also very like spandexy and stretchy. So, you know, after a big meal, if I got a food baby going on, it'll be super comfy. Okay, so this one says, love this color and texture. Don't tell me this is another popcorn shirt. Now I have two in my wardrobe. Yes, this is so freaking cute. And it's also in pink, my favorite color. And now I have two popcorn shirts in my wardrobe. And my first one was also from a mystery bundle. Yes, I love this. Thank you so much. Okay, this one says, basics are always nice. Yes, they are, and super comfy. Let's see. What do we have here? We have darker colors now. Ooh, but this, oh my goodness. Do you guys see this? We have a little mock neck. It's sleeveless with a huge cutout right here on the front. But I do like that it's black, and even though it does have like a pretty big cutout, we can use some mesh. We can layer up a bit just so that we don't show the little girls off. But a cute little camisole with a lace trim and also at the hem. And this seems to be like a longer length too. More orange, yes. And sequins, I'm a sucker for sequins. It's a one shoulder top. So freaking cute. I only have one other one shoulder top and it's in black, so now I have one in color and it's got sequins. It also has this like glitter chevron print to it. Let me bring you in a little bit closer here. There we go. The next one says, everyone needs this color in their wardrobe. Ooh, what color is it? Is it bright? It's pink. Everyone needs some pink in their wardrobe. Yes, totally agree. Oh my gosh, we've hit some bottoms. Usually I feel like bottoms are very tricky. I've mentioned this multiple times already, but I have gained some weight and most of it has gone to my hips. It's always very tricky when getting them in mystery bundles. The back doesn't have any butt pockets, which I absolutely love for a little booty moment. And this one says, the color, the style, I just love this piece. What color is it? We have a little statement red going on here. Oh my goodness, this kind of looks similar to something that I already own, but oh my gosh, look at this little vintage piece. It has a contrast velvet collar, same with the buttons. This next one here says, mesh layering and colors have me what? This piece. Okay, I don't really know what it says, but there is a clue that it's mesh. Ooh, and it's black and red. This was a color combo that I was super obsessed with a while back ago, and oh my goodness, y'all. So we do have a little surplice neck, the mesh construction to it. The band does have, what is this? Sequins and flowers. Oh my God, I need to bring you in closer because look at all the flowers within each little circle. Love. And then this does have a very high and low hem, so depending on what shoes we wear, you guys probably already know, we can go ahead and show them off. We finally made it to the last piece. We hit the bottom of the box. And I already know that they're jeans. And it says, I just thought these would look cool with the blue flames button up you have. Okay guys, I'm really nervous about this because I don't know if these thighs are gonna fit in here. It's always very tricky, but let's see what these look like. Ooh, yes. Okay, so they're actually denim shorts. These I absolutely love. You guys, look at this embroidery detail on the side. So freaking cool. It's just this little guy skateboarding. Okay, I see what she was going for. She wants me to wear a very like oversized button-up top that I have. Yes, I'll go ahead and style it with that for sure. That pretty much does it for all the pieces. So let's go ahead and get everything styled and tried on, and then we'll talk about how everything fits. Let's go. Okay y'all, in no specific order, let's go ahead and get started with this dress here. I absolutely love it. My newest prized possession. Kind of reminds me of all the TikToks I've been coming across where people are dressing up to their gothic alternative prom, and I really wish I could have worn this to my prom. Instead, I ended up wearing this very bodycon dress that just did not flatter my body whatsoever. So this is definitely a lot more me, and it matches my demonias perfectly. But this is just so freaking flattering. The bust is super cute, this little pleat, and of course, I'm a sucker for sequins. But so far, so good. Let's move on to our second fit. Here we have this fit here, the pink, the patchwork, the mini length. I'm feeling like a Y2K Latina Barbie, and I'm totally here for it. So what I'm noticing about the shirt is that I don't think it's a solid color. I think the sleeves might be contrasted or an ombre print. I can't totally tell. And then this denim mini skirt, y'all, it's my latest Depop find that I got for $20, and it's Xanadu. It's a mini length, frayed edges, a patchwork. Oh, so freaking cute. We have another Y2K moment here. I initially wanted to wear these Xanadu pants that I got from Depop for like 80 something dollars, but they don't fit me anymore. It is so sad. The thighs are just suffocating in these, and the belly's like, no, we are not buttoning. So instead, I'm opting for these flare pants. They're still pretty crazy though, because they have so much distressing, a whole bunch of slits literally throughout the pant, and it's also a flare leg. So you know what? I thought it was a good pair for this little Y2K top, and let me tell you, this is the most comfortable top I've ever owned. It just hugs so nicely. I don't need a bra. It's very hugging. This one is gonna be stayed in my wardrobe for sure. So let's move on to our next fit. Pants. I love them. Immediately, I knew I had to do a monochrome look. And so I pulled out Esme's merch. The pants fit like a freaking glove. I was a little scared about the hips, but because they do have a pleated front, they do have a little bit more room. I feel like everything is pulled together with the silver details. So we have the chain, the silver little belt, and then clear shoes. Yes, I'm loving this. So let's move on to our next fit. Up next is this sexy little dress. Usually I don't like bodycons. Well, okay, it's not that I don't like them, I just rather not wear them because we all know men are fucking creeps. So I try to keep away from the male gaze and male attention, but come on, you have to admit, this neckline is so freaking pretty. I am a sucker for animal print, so of course I can't resist it. And all the ruching, we have a little ruche detail on the bust and then on the sleeves. But you know, to make it a little bit more like modest, I guess, I definitely had to go with tights, my demonias, since they do cover up a lot of leg, and then of course a leather jacket. I feel like this is totally something I would wear. This is actually really swaying my mind, and maybe I will start incorporating more bodycon dresses into my wardrobe because this is so freaking cute. But let's move on to our next fit. This fit here, we definitely have much more of a tomboy route. I was a little scared for these shorts because of the thighs. You know, they're not suffocating, but they are being slightly hugged, but I feel like it's pretty figure flattering either way. But she said to pair it with this blue flame shirt that I have, and I'm loving this. I don't know how I feel about the demonios. I'm not really feeling them with that, but with shorts, I do get a little self-conscious about my small, tiny calf muscles. So I thought, you know what? Let's just hide them with my demonios. So here we are, and I kind of really like this. Here we have this top. I was so skeptical about this front cutout. I honestly thought it was gonna like come up to here, but surprisingly, it's a lot higher than I thought. I'm not even wearing a bra, and the girls are very in place. And this material, I think it might be like a spandex blend, but it is so freaking stretchy, very comfortable. It really took me out of my comfort zone. I was a little bit scared, but I'm glad it worked out. So let's move on to our next fit. Here we have this orange top. It surprisingly is pretty long in length. I really wasn't expecting that, but this one fits just a tad too big for my bust. If I was like 1 cup size bigger, it would fit absolutely perfect. But y'all, look at how freaking cool. It does have the one shoulder strap, a chevron print, the sequins, but I'm loving this color combo. Let's move on to our next fit. Okay, after looking at myself in the mirror with this fit, I was just like, Danielle, you're totally contradicting yourself because I won't wear a bodycon dress out in public, but with this, I'm totally okay. And I don't know what it is, but for some reason, I just feel a lot more comfortable in this. And I'm thinking maybe because like the coat is very much covering me up. But you guys, we are working with this top right here. We have the velvet contrast details, which I absolutely love. Red is just such a statement color, so I love having it in my wardrobe. My demonias, no surprise. And then I'm finally pulling out this plaid skirt that I've had for like a few months now and haven't wore it out yet. Let's move on to our next fit. Here is the last fit. I will admit, I got a little lazy because we've been through so many looks. But we kept the demonias on, the tights, a mini skirt. It came with like weird straps here on the front. But I'm thinking it's actually a button-up dress and then this is like necktie, but we're just gonna let them hang behind us because I like it better as like an open front cardigan. I don't know if I would keep the white shirt underneath because you could literally see right through it. So maybe it looks a little wonky, but let's go ahead and talk about my final thoughts. We made it to the end of this unboxing, so if you're still watching, thank you so much. But I wanted to go ahead and open these up just so that I can show you guys her work ethic and the effort that she puts behind all of this. So So she has a Meet the Seller little pamphlet, which I think is super cute. It says, meet the seller, her name is DAZZ, she's 20 years old and she loves fashion, art, and photography. Pretty much just talks about her mission and how she loves fashion, secondhand clothing especially, because it saves so much clothes from ending up in landfills. And then this is the coolest part. I didn't realize that it did say open last, so good thing I did wait till now to open it. But you guys, look at all of this. Look at the handwritten note. The handwritten notes on the inside too. Pretty much says that this is my bundle and everything that she included, and just, you know, the reasoning on why she chose certain pieces. But as a visual person, this is so freaking helpful. So DAZZ, thank you so much for this bundle. Honestly, it like exceeded all of my expectations. I can totally tell that you know my style so well. Well, my styles, because I know I like very feminine stuff, very tomboy, dark, colorful, so thank you so much for nailing it. If you wanna check out her Instagram, I'm gonna leave all of her info linked down below, because she also has a few art accounts as well. So you guys go check her out. If you liked this bundle, give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below, hit the bell notification, and subscribe to join the Eggy family. But you guys, as always, I post videos at least once a week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!